Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials, Windows Edition and the exact Windows Media Player version, because compatibility matters. Then, try a known good media file to rule out corruption. This proves whether the player or the file is at fault. Once done, disable third-party codec packs temporarily and run WMP as administrator to see if the error persists. These steps isolate the root cause quickly, so you avoid chasing irrelevant fixes and prepare for precise remediation. Next, you repair the player itself. Open programs and features to repair or reinstall Windows Media Player components. That often fixes corrupted binaries. Then, reset the WMP library by closing the app and deleting the database XML files in local app data, because a corrupt database triggers playback errors. After that, re-register core DLLs with elevated command prompts. regsfor32 reestablishes COM links. Once done, restart the computer to ensure services and registry changes take effect and verify playback again. Finally, address advanced causes. Inspect services and ensure Windows Media Player network sharing service is running, since disabled services can block playback. Run System File Checker, SFC/Scano, to repair system files and perform a malware scan because infections can hijack codecs. If problems persist, try an alternate player to confirm system-level failure, then consider a clean Windows reinstall as a last resort. If something still goes wrong, restart, document the exact error code, and repeat targeted steps before drastic action.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.